Hello everyone, I'm Genevieve, and today I'm going to be reading my poem, Birds, which was really a response to the pandemic we're all experiencing right now. Although we are all experiencing different things, I did want to try to channel some of the things that I've heard from my friends, from my family, from myself, and even from strangers that I know a lot of people are experiencing. So in this poem, I did write from two different perspectives. One from somebody who has passed and the other from someone who is going through the process of mourning for that person who passed, as well as looking forward to the future and to embracing their own life. So without further ado, this is my poem, which is titled Birds. I'll be remembered in clover, my kindest words wrapped in grape leaves. I'll shed my skin with the whisper of a prayer. You'll remember me when I stand at the foot of the tallest brown trees. Sing with the hushed sparrows and coat your legs in salt. Christen yourself in the joys of living. I'll look through myself into a room rosy with remembrance. I'll recall your trepidation, wish it were wonder instead. Wrapped in rapture, you made this world feel warm. Even as seasons change, I'll love you with all I'm made with. To those who make this world brave, I will continue what you've created, exist within the walls, and whisper to gods who crave peace. Permanence is rare, but the courage to exist has made you everlasting. For as long as we live, love will wrap itself around our shoulders, allow us to mourn, and hold us in the yoke of its stillness. So that was my poem, Birds. I do just want to remind everyone that using to our advantage different creative mediums such as writing and art, these are great ways to channel what we're all going through simultaneously and with each other, but also very separate. We all have different experiences with this time. So I just want to say, I hope everyone's doing well, connecting with the things they love, with the hobbies, and everyone should, hopefully be safe, happy, and sane during this time. So thank you so much.